Hey guys, it's Lucy and Jen from Retiree Wannabes. She left me. Hey, check out our quick trip to Yuma, our couple days that we spent there. Stay tuned, see what we did. It's a great spot right there. So overall, I think we only spent 2 nights in Yuma. The mosquitoes were just so bad, and honestly, we were just kind of so over keeping the mosquitoes out of the trailer that we went ahead and moved on after the 3rd day. So I'm glad we went and checked it out on this trip. The one thing that we did not do on the way into Yuma was stop at the sand dunes. I think it's the Imperial Sand Dunes on the way from California to Yuma. We regret not doing that, and so if we return to that area, we would definitely stop there and do that. So that's Yuma. Nice quick trip, stop in Yuma. We left Yuma and moved on to Y, Arizona. So stay tuned on our next video. We'll get into that, show you where we stayed, a nice cute little RV park, show you our trip to the Oregon Pipe National Monument. And if you haven't already subscribed, definitely do that. hit the alert button. You'll get alerted to the next video that we make. So stay tuned, keep up with us, and we will catch up with you in Southern Arizona. See you next time.